Ghost story.
Hi, it's Robert and Danny. I'm Robert.
And I'm Danny. And we're walking in the scariest place ever.
I know you can't see it in the dark, but we're so scared.
We're so scared. We're not going to turn any lights on. We're going to do this ghost hunting.
I think it might even be 5:15.
Yes. If there's anyone here, please do something. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Tell me, why have you took this way?
I know. We are getting talk going this way by a girl called Jojo.
Oh my god.
I mean Danny. I mean Robert. Sorry. Sammy, don't.
You're getting all your words mixed up because of what? Is that chainsaw massacre?
What the fuck is that?
Is that chainsaw massacre?
Oh my god, I'm actually scared.
Is that chainsaw massacre?
Oh, this is wrong man. Why did you
Go down here.
I'm actually still recording. Don't be like chainsaw massacre. We should go down there. Can we go down there? Can we go down there? No! Stop it! Go down here! Oh, we found a house. We found houses, and I bet it's a dead end.
No, we are.
We heard the sounds of chainsaws, and an old man turning on his light.
I actually was scared.
I'm still recording this, so if we die, and it's not really Robert and Danny, it's okay.
Sorry, we lied to you, public.
I've actually just shit my pants. So our viewers on YouTube sensation. Oh shit, there's a car coming.
You might want more, but we can't.
Yeah, might want more from us, but I don't think after this little incident.
It's actually about like 9, ain't it?
Yeah, we won't be recording after dark anymore. This is Danny
And Robert.
and that's been another adventure on Danny and Robert, and when they've gone out after dark again. And I'm definitely going to bring my mum with me.
And if we die, we're really hating Clarissa, so...
Yes, we're really hating Clarissa, we didn't really do anything wrong.
Kate plays Danny and I play Robert. So, yeah, I use them so well, so...
And watch all of our YouTube videos, please, before we die. Please. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.